Hey guys, Caleb here. I am back with another video. Sorry, I just had to wipe my lens down because it's like, I don't know. Yeah, but it's like foggy. What the hell? Oh, never mind. But anyway, yeah, I'm just riding my bike. It's a bike ride kind of video. I'm going to be doing these more often. I can get back on posting because now I got my posting to work. And my YouTube to work, so yeah. And yeah, I'm just riding around the block right now. Hey you guys, when I'm like this, that means I'm pedaling. Whew, this is what I call Bobber Hill. That's what me and Taylor just called it when we were little. We called it Bobber Hill. I'm gonna change the name because I don't like it. I'm gonna call it Skull Hill. Skull Hill it is. Woo! Oh shit! I drifted that shit like a boss. Yo. I need to get my speed. It's dangerous going slippery. Woo! That feels good. We're just going for a bike ride. If I get a comment, just say, like, do I go fast? Do you go way faster? Everybody's gonna say, okay, comment if I do. Yeah, I can go faster than that. I can go faster than that shit. I can go way faster. Taking my shit. But yeah. Is this recording? Yeah. Yeah, this is just basically just a bike ride video. I'm gonna walk my bike because I'm tired. Yeah. Gosh. Da-da. But yeah. Cinder blocks. Back road. My bike. It's dirty right there. I have another bike, but this one's been broken for a while. I've been riding my mongoose. This one's been like, after all, the chain kept going clung, 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 and I had to tighten the chain. So that's why. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, I'm part of the One Up crew. Me, Dakota, and Steven all are the One Up crew. And then with Danielle and Tyler, they're the One Up crew. Yeah. I used to ride like a fucking scooter, and I would go even slower than that. I know it looks like I'm going fast, but I'm like really not. I'm riding one-handed. It's easy. I ride no-handed, but I need speed. But either way, what up? Oh Jesus! I have to wear a helmet because last summer. Here's my shadow. I'm recording with my phone. I have to wear a helmet because last summer, at the very last day of summer, I fell at the Pioneer Valley. I fell and I hit my head on the concrete really, really bad. And I got a concussion. Jesus! Yeah. Oh, it splashed like mud water in my eye. Ew, so after this, I'm gonna probably end the video when I get to my house. But yeah, get the legs working, get that bike going. Damn, this feels good. Feels good. I love riding my bike on wet days. I don't know why. I like doing this mostly. You guys probably have to see it, but woo, I like to put my feet in the puddles, and so it kicks up hella water. Like one day when it was like pouring out, I went and there were puddles in the middle of Skull Hill, and like there's a huge puddle. Look at my faces. What? What was I doing? I'm fucking taking a video for YouTube. I wasn't pointing the shit at you. I wasn't pointing the shit at you. Jesus Christ, calm the fuck down! That was my dick friend Zach. At least I have a good YouTube channel. Alright. I haven't talked to him in a while. He comes up, what the hell? Fuck off, bitch. I'ma fuck your ass up. He has a problem with it? He'll come down to my fucking house. Yeah. Alright, see you guys. Bye.